Most people get this wrong. They think credit building happens in days, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is expecting instant results from any credit builder tool. In this video, we are breaking down exactly how long Self-Credit Builder takes in 2026 and what you can realistically expect. Let's start with the basics. The Self-Credit Builder is designed to build credit slowly through consistent monthly payments that get reported to major credit bureaus. Now here's where it gets interesting. There is no single fixed timeline because credit growth depends on your starting point, your payment consistency, and your overall credit profile. But let's break it down in a simple way. First, the early stage. For someone like Alex who has no credit history at all, you can often see initial credit file activity within 30 to 60 days. This does not mean a big score jump, but it means your credit profile is officially being built. But here's the problem most beginners face. They expect big score increases immediately after the first payment. That is not how credit systems work. Now let's move to the short-term stage. After about 3 to 6 months of consistent payments, many users start seeing noticeable improvements in their credit score. This is when your payment history starts to build real weight. Now here's where it gets important. Consistency matters more than speed. If Jake misses payments or pauses the account, the timeline slows down significantly. In a minute, I'll show you the exact usage pattern that helps you speed up results without doing anything risky or complicated. Now let's talk about the long-term stage. After 6 to 12 months, users who stay consistent often see stronger credit profiles, especially if they combine Self with other responsible credit activity, like low utilization accounts. But remember, Self alone is not a magic solution. It is one part of a bigger credit strategy. So how long does it really take overall? For most beginners, meaningful credit improvement usually takes 3 to 6 months, while stronger results build up around the 6 to 12-month range. Let's make this simple. The timeline depends on 3 things: starting credit situation, payment consistency, and how long you stay active in the program. If you are disciplined, results come faster. If you are inconsistent, it takes longer. Let's summarize everything clearly. Self-Credit Builder in 2026 can show early credit activity within 1 to 2 months, noticeable improvement in 3 to 6 months, and stronger long-term results in 6 to 12 months depending on consistency. If this helped you understand how long Self-Credit Builder really takes, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit building guides like this.